Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today, very excited, we got delivered this bad boy, which is the passion fruit syrup. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make 3 different cocktails with the passion fruit syrup. So please stay with me. Let me show you how this thing is done. This is Hey Bartender. All right, so today we're gonna start with one of my favorite cocktails in the bourbon side. And this one, it is called the Fifth Avenue. This is a classic. And we're gonna use a little bit of a Calvados, which is a French apple brandy. We're gonna use some Buffalo Trace, which is a bourbon. And we're gonna use, obviously, our passion fruit puree. This guy is gonna be very easy. We're gonna need some ice and an ounce of each one of the ingredients. Let's add some ice. Give it a really well stir. This one I like to call it the mind changer, and it's because a lot of people, they don't find the bourbon, kind of like an appealing cocktail. Sometimes it can be a little too rough. This cocktail in particular is going to make you change your mind. Get a martini glass. Baby sphere. There you have it. That'll be your Fifth Avenue. All right, so let's move into the second cocktail. This is going to be a passion fruit smoky Mezcal Mule. Very easy, you guys. We're going to actually put a little bit of a rim of Tajín in our copper mug. Let's go for 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup. Ancho Reyes Liqueur, which is a smoky chile, dried chile liqueur from Puebla. Let's go for 3/4 of an ounce. One of the best mezcals in the market, which is going to be Origen Reyes. This one is Maguey Cenizo, Joven. Let's go for 2 ounces. Let's put some ice. Half an ounce of lime juice. And obviously, Bartender ginger beer. Stir a little bit. That's going to be your second cocktail. All right, fire number 3. We're going to make a mojito, passion fruit style. All right, you guys, so we're going to start with some mint leaves. Put them in there. Let's go for 2 spoons of sugar. 1.5 ounces of Bacardi Blanco. 1/2 ounce of passion fruit. So a little more. Half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Let's give it a little shake. In a separate glass, let's put some ice. Let's do a double strain. And let's top it up with club soda. lime wheel, and your mint. And here you have it, you guys. The Passionfruit Mojito. All right, you guys, so here we go. This is the 3 ways that you can make cocktails with the passion fruit syrup. I know this is a big bottle, but trust me, you can come up with amazing recipes. You can make some non-alcoholic cocktails with this. You can keep going with margaritas. You can make lots and lots of things. Obviously, be creative, experiment with it. Share your passion fruit cocktails with me, please. Just put your recipes in the comments below of this video. Remember, if you like the recipes, if you like what you see, if you like what you drink, please share the knowledge, spread the voice, like, subscribe.